We caught in the rain. It took it. Baby, we should play a game. We should play a game. She straight trying to fix that window. That's a shit, dog. Shout out to these women out here, man. She straight trying to fix that bitch, and it's raining. Y'all give me 50. I ain't make them be here. Get your stick. You get it somewhere back there?
Yeah.
New home of the morning hustle. Starting January 6th next week, 2020, man. We got a whole brand new wave of radio. You know what I'm talking about? Speaking of the new morning hustle. You can't spell the hustle without the STL. It's STL Sunday.
Man, I actually like this camera.
You heard Neil in the back, shout out to Mo. It's all about STL on Sundays on Hot 104.1. Alright, it's all about the city. Call in, let me know where you're from.
Oh, me, this motherfucker cool.
Whatever you got going on. Hit me up.
Hey, I went to Walgreens to get them cord, and dude was like, "It's a nice camera." I'm like, cause he was like, when I took it back, you know, after I kept telling you that it was like the memory shit. He was like, "Bill, maybe something wrong with your camera." I said, "No, bro, I just got this camera. Like, just got it."
Like, just pop this bitch out the box.
On me, then he switched it with a different one. I actually got some money back on my mom. And it went straight through. It's just my camera was going dead after that.
They coming back and they giving away more money.
It's your boy FTM Draco. And your girl Princess Draco back there trying to work on my window. Shout out to you females out there. Y'all do the damn thing. Ain't that right, baby?
Yes.
I wish y'all could see.
Turn the light on. Boom.
I don't need all that light.
You got one light up there. Literally. You could touch one button.
I don't need it. I just said I don't need the light. You want the light on? Huh? I so forgot. I don't think I can. I gotta try to get the music out of it. Oh, blah. You stay working hard on that window too.
Look, I got some off this motherfucker too.
Damn. Where you get that tape from?
This the electrical tape from the house. I said that's why I didn't want to do it outside.
Man, you came clutch with the tape.
And it wasn't sticking, so I had to double these motherfuckers. I can still put my.
Okay. Okay. They did this. That's what I'm talking about. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You gon' hold me closer on your neck and be hickey. I ain't gotta do too much. I know what get you sticky.
Glue.
That's my song.
They look like somebody.
Oh, let's work on the intro. You died.
Good. So if I had to hide, you can't see me.
Look, man. Come on, baby, let's play a game. I got the camera fully charged. We sitting in the car stuck in the rain. What will happen next?
Dun dun dun.
Will she let me fuck?
I'm an awesome
Or
sound
no.
effects person.
Let me fuck. Or no?
What game should we play? What you got in mind?
I ain't.
What you said?
Oh, you wanna play Hangman? How we gonna play Hangman?
I thought that's what you just said.
It sound like a cool little game, but how we gonna play? We ain't got nothing to play with.
We got a pen, ain't got the paper.
You should stay back there in the bay.
Undo me.
You did, so you could be in the camera.
Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. It look like an Oompa Loompa, don't it?
See, she always gotta do stupid stuff. Damn. What? What are you doing? Oh.
And abusive evil.
It's straight pouring down right now.
You know what we should have got?
What? Wait, some LOs. Get some LOs in there.
I know. How convenient that you work next door.
Damn, she making shit hella foggy just talking.
Don't do too much.
Ooh, sexy chocolate mama. However, when a motherfucker blushing, what your heart beating for? She's scared, she's scared.
You not funny.
I was just a little bit. I was corny. That's what you call a cornball at its finest. The fuck kind of chips is those? First off, she trying to feed me some chips. Trying to feed me some chips. I don't think we will put them in the video. I don't know what you and what you can't put in the video until you get flagged for it.
You put whatever you want.
Come on, let's play rock, paper, scissors.
We doing it on 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, shoot?
One, two, three. Who does that dice game ass shit?
I don't know,
Come
I'm
on.
asking. Rock, paper, scissors. You cheating.
You did the same thing. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors.
You cheating.
How?
And the first time I still lost, so how I cheat?
Alright, so how we gonna do this? Cause now you talking about
But do it on time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
So that's what you mean by shoot?
Basically,
shoot.
yeah.
Look at that.
I guess.
Come on. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, I won. Ting. Come on.
You just cheated like me. I fucking quit.
Go on, good. I don't know what the fuck that was. Wait, damn, you already.
You started going
Come
cool.
on. Man, what is this? Bro, we agreed that it's rock, paper, scissors, boom. Rock, paper, scissors, boom.
1, 2, 3, go.
Bitch, you ain't just do that.
Okay.
Alright, come on. Yeah. So you ain't even know you won. You was finna keep going. Look at that.
I knew I was, but I thought we was gonna keep going. Oh,
Man, what was that? No, I got to do the fix. Come on. That's how they do it.
Go.
Come on, bro. You on some cheating ass shit. Yeah.
You cheated.
How?
You
I
threw your
won
little
them.
blade. You gonna go throw it at the rock and saw I had scissors.
I'm done playing
Motherfucker.
with her. She don't know what she talking about. After you gonna flick me off. You don't pay no light bills in this motherfucking car.
You turned the light on, first of all.
You heard me. Shout out to everybody who pay their motherfucking bills. You hear me? She don't pay no motherfucking light bill in this motherfucking car. Look at you.
First of all, Paul don't have light bill.
It's in my motherfucking name. It's a motherfucking light bill if you got the light on. Fuck you talking about. Comment down below if you agree. Thank you for doing the window, though. I'm still grateful. We running at 12 minutes and 49 seconds and we haven't did shit but get stuck in a motherfucking ring. It's better than stuck in traffic. What you think?
You got someone to go pee. No, excuse you.
I needed that. Fuck is you trying to say?
Y'all see how this motherfucker ain't got no minute?
Hey, what is you talking about? That was funny. You should just see what I did with my finger. Hey, I like this camera.
Real bad.
I finna bruise the shit out this motherfucking camera.
A bruise
Yeah.
or abuse.
Yeah. I gotta try not to cuss. We gotta try not to cuss on him.
You can bleep it out. It's gonna be a lot of bleeps.
I don't know how to edit for real, but I'm gonna try my best. You know, till I become the best. Try your best until you become the best. I like that. You like that? I like that. Man, I was smacking in the first video. I'm finna upload this video and I was straight bashing. But she bashing.
Don't do me.
I can't wait till I buy that, what they call it? It's, oh yeah, a microphone to go on top of your camera. We seen it at Best Buy earlier today. Ain't that right?
Hella quick.
Well, we seen it at Best Buy. And I
want that
want it.
gorilla tripod.
It make it sound like you.
You hear me?
You say what?
I want that gorilla tripod.
You said some Gorilla Glue.
Gorilla tripod. You heard what the fuck I said.
What? What? Why you want the gorilla?
Because
What you like about it?
you can like wrap it around her.
She like wrapping her around.
Bye, bro. You could do too much.
I just playing. But I want one too. Cause holding it make your hand hurt. She should have stayed in the bag.
You should have stayed in the back.
What that mean?
You should have stayed in the back.
If I stay in the back, that means motherfuckers getting some. Look at her all on the video. It's alright, baby. You just being your natural self. Hormones, it happens. I'm not editing this out.
Gotta remember your camera on.
I got to remember your camera on. I need to stop playing so much. That's all I do is play, don't I?
Yes.
I be like, what a hoes at? People think I'm disrespectful if I act like that on camera. If I be myself on camera, you think they'll think I'm disrespectful?
Yes.
But I'm not, but you know it's out of love. You know. But people be like, no, that ain't love. That ain't, what is love,
we gonna see all the fucking, oh, you gonna let him disrespect you. He ain't disrespect.
Whoa.
You know,
No.
people having shit to say.
They better not do me like that. They gonna see how awesome I am. Ain't that right, man?
Mm-hmm.
Get your lame ass on. I'm lame.
I take it back then.
She lamer. I like that
Look,
though.
and I was just taking enough of this motherfucker.
I just said I like it. I just said, but look at her jumping the gun. Females jumping the motherfucking gun. Damn, jump the broom. Don't jump the gun. I was start saying that, you know how motherfuckers jump the broom in the wedding. Damn, let's get married first before you make assumptions. I like that.
I don't.
Fuck that. I need to stop cussing, bro. It looked like we just stalking the camera just a second ago. You can't put that in her. That's somebody else's music. What's wrong with this girl? This girl is tweaking. I don't own none of that. I don't own no copyrights. I wonder if I can still say that and it should still play.
It will. It's YouTube.
It's focusing. I don't know. I keep fucking with this camera. I just got this camera over there. She wanna play this shit. I wanna play a game. You say what?
So you got copyright to this?
I don't got copyright set instrumental. It's straight wet outside, boy. It's wet. Like that, poor shit. It's wet like that, boy. Like that, poor shit outside.
It curl up inside me. I die from anxiety. Caution, though. I don't know how I feel, cause my conscience isn't real. Try to let go, but my heart, it won't let me. She try to pick me up, but my soul a bit heavy. Cut all my ties just to loosen what helps me. If I die now, I hope you won't forget me. If you love me, I'll kill us both. Hold my heart in, just give me more. Soon as the tie hit, just cleanse my soul. I don't wanna die here, just take me. I just need to my question. I just need love and affection. these perks. And lately I've been down, and I've been hurt. I cut off my engine, I walk around on earth. Why don't they get me? I'm trans now, it's worse. Lord forgive me, my mom's in the dirt. I'm screaming, who with me? Nobody else first. I'm over my demons, I'm under a curse. Love was a meaning, and shit really
You make it look
hurts.
dope. What the hell?
That motherfucker
I want to get it off your camera.
If you love me, just hold me close. Cross my heart and just give us hope. If the tide hit, I'll drown, I know. I don't wanna die here, just take me. I just need to my question. I just need love and affection. It seems like the drugs.
I never work. A little bit of Henny just to down all them perkies. And lately I've been down and I've been hurt. Once again, I do not own copyrights to the instrumental. Lyrics all be in the homeboy. We spoke about this first video. I'm sorry. A little bit of Henny just to down all these perks. She steady drawing on the window.
I have to make it bold.
Biting on the pillows. I'm licking on her earlobes. Baby girl. Hold on. Baby girl. Hey, you there? Hey.
I see you over.
Yeah.
I want you to come out.
That dick in your mouth. Open. Wide. Hey. You there. Open. Real wide. And that's just how it is. What y'all like to say? And that's just that on that.
I'm dead. And this is that on me. Bury you, boom.
When you with a boring bitch and that's all she know how to do. I don't call her a bitch like that. I don't think so. You finna get off my shit in about 2.5 seconds. Clear your head. Cause when I start joking around, it's just fine. I don't do that. It seemed like the drug I never work. Little bit of Henny just to down all them perkies. And lately I've been down and I've been hurt. Oh no.
Wanna play headband?
No, I don't want to play shit with you now. I'm just saying. But when I was uploading a video, the first video that's gonna be uploaded, I'm talking about the quality of the audio is like. I'm trying to tell you. I picked the right parking spot. It got a lot of light right now. You know what we need to do? We need to think about what we gonna do while we at the telly on this camera. She don't really care
I do.
about my page. She's just a guest. Everybody know what that breathing mean. Wait till you turn that camera off. Yo, fuck this camera. This camera. Talking about. Seems like them hugs will never work, and she always in her motherfucking feelings. Baby,
Yeah.
I love you.
Okay, you ready?
Ready for what?
To place your raids.
How we gonna do that?
Right here. Okay. You can't put me on camera because I'm gonna see you.
Oh, you can't see. Okay, what?
Okay. You're supposed to describe what's on my forehead.
What the fuck, y'all? Y'all should see what's on this girl forehead. Hold on.
It's the adult charade, so it can be anything. You supposed to describe it so I can know.
Gotta let them see this shit. How the fuck do you describe that shit?
What is it?
Man,
Now look at
some
it.
bullshit.
Can I look at it?
Nah, I'm finna. Alright. You gotta try to catch it, cause I'm finna try to do it in front of them. Alright. Matter of fact.
It's a can. You drunk? You going to sleep? You dead? You got poison? Oh, it's poison?
I think your time was up though. No, it was roofie. I got roofied.
What the fuck? It was this is the first one, but it had skip.
Butt plug. Oh, wow. This what you mean by
okay,
dog.
you
That's
put it
why
on
they
your
say
forehead.
I don't want to play this game
Yeah,
anymore.
yes you do. Come on. Come on.
So this is something about sex?
No, it's not about sex. It's about all a different dark stuff like drugs, all that. I don't know. What is it?
How do you guess some shit like, bro? This say hung like a horse. I'm confused. I don't know what the fuck.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Look at that shit. What the fuck?
Oh, I'll pick.
Yo, I don't know. I don't want to play that no more.
I don't want to play this thing.
God damn. What time your phone say? We at 30 minutes. Look like we finna end up having to wrap this vlog up in a couple of minutes. Motherfuckers don't get this game right. I'ma just be quiet.
You want to play a game so bad.
What? What you say? Why she keep putting her fucking hands on me?
Don't do too much. What do you want to play?
I want to
play
play
a game so
with
bad.
that. Oh, I just fun. I don't want to play games. You want to play? What you want to do? We need to think about what we gonna be doing for videos all fucking week. And I want some far ass videos. I want some just yeah, I just want something fire. What time your phone got?
Now just tell you it's 8:46.
I did just
It's
ask
2
that.
minutes.
Damn. I think I'm gonna have to close this video, babe. Alright. FTM game, man. I gotta go on and end the video. My computer. my camera. I think I done used up my memory. When I finally get my phone charged. But just like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Slap, 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 slap the subscription button.
And stay tuned.